What happens to your life insurance payout if your beneficiary dies first? This is an important topic to understand, so let's dive into it. What happens if your beneficiary dies first? If your beneficiary dies before you, your life insurance payout will go to your estate instead. This means that the money will be distributed according to your will, or if you don't have a will, according to the laws of your province or territory. This can create complications if your estate goes through probate, which can take time and money. What should you do if your beneficiary dies first? If your beneficiary dies before you, it's important to contact your life insurance company as soon as possible to inform them of the situation. You may need to provide a copy of the death certificate and other documentation. If you haven't named a secondary beneficiary, you may want to update your beneficiary designation to name a new primary beneficiary. This can ensure that the payout goes directly to someone you want to receive it, rather than to your estate. If you do not have a secondary beneficiary named and your primary beneficiary has passed away, you may want to consider consulting with a lawyer or financial advisor to help you navigate the process and ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. What happens if the beneficiary and policyholder die together? If the beneficiary and policyholder die together, the life insurance payout will typically go to the contingent beneficiary. A contingent beneficiary is someone you name to receive the payout if your primary beneficiary dies before you or at the same time as you. If you don't have a contingent beneficiary named, the payout may go to your estate and be distributed according to your will, or if you don't have a will, according to the laws of your province or territory. This can create complications and delays in distributing the money, and the payout may be subject to taxes and probate fees. To avoid these complications, it's important to keep your beneficiary designation up to date and consider naming both a primary and contingent beneficiary. This can ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes and that your loved ones receive the financial support they need in a timely manner. How to protect your policy and set up beneficiaries and contingent beneficiaries. Protecting your life insurance policy and setting up beneficiaries and contingent beneficiaries is an important part of estate planning. Here are some steps you can take. Review your policy. Make sure you understand the terms of your life insurance policy, including the type of policy, the amount of coverage, and the premium payments. Name your beneficiaries. Choose the person or people you want to receive the payout from your life insurance policy. Consider naming both a primary and contingent beneficiary to ensure that your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Keep your beneficiary designation up to date. Review your beneficiary designation periodically and after any major life changes, such as marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child. Make sure that the contact information for your beneficiaries is accurate and up to date. Consider a trust. If you have significant assets or complex estate planning needs, you may want to consider setting up a trust to hold the life insurance payout. This can provide additional protection and flexibility in how the money is distributed. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a lawyer, financial advisor, or insurance agent to help you navigate the process of setting up beneficiaries and contingent beneficiaries, and to ensure that your assets are protected and distributed according to your wishes. By taking these steps, you can protect your life insurance policy and ensure that your loved ones are provided for in the event of your death. Secure your family's financial future with life insurance from Insuredinery. Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now to protect your loved ones. With our range of policies and competitive rates, we make it easy to find the coverage you need. Visit Insuredinery today to learn more and get a free quote from our team of experts. Trust us to be your partner in planning for the future.